dinosaur. Whoa! Hey! What is that? Right. Okay. What do you see first?
I see the egg inside.
What else?
And then you know what? There's characters inside the egg.
Characters inside the eggs. And what else? What are those colorful things?
Those are confetti.
Wow. Okay.
Let's
Let's open it up. Let me see. Show us what you have there, girl.
This is sparkly dress.
Whoa. Can you stand up and show me your sparkly? Whoa, nice. You look so pretty today. Who's there?
I'm seeing the granddad.
The blind bag? You need help?
No. Let's squeeze this. I need help.
Told you.
I got sunset shimmer.
Oh, can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Show sunset's shimmer. Come on, in the camera, I cannot see. Oh, that's cute little thingy.
And the camera.
Can I see? Oh, that's nice.
I didn't open that.
You like it?
I hope it's pinkified.
Oh no.
Yes.
Who would that be? No, I don't see it. Who is that?
I see some yellow.
Who is that? Are you excited? Who's that mystery character? Oh, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Okay.
Close your eyes. And ding, 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 ding.
Spike!
Hi, Spiky!
Yeah!
And what?
And what?
And a little donut.
No, that's not a donut. That's where you put the food of Spike. Go, look at what's happening when I shake it. Look! And this is the wedding. What is this? Hold on. Wedding bash.
It's a collector's guide.
What's that? Collector's guide. Can you show us?
There's rainbow dash. Oh, look, there's also this character. I guess I can get that next time.
Alright. So in the meantime, I'm gonna shower you with confetti! Again. Aika. Whee! Oh, you're such a cutie. Look at that. Are you happy to get your new toy? So this is what's the name?
Sunset Sun.
And the good doggy.
You mean a dinosaur?
A dinosaur! Yeah, you're right. Mommy is wrong again. So Spike is a dinosaur, right?
Yeah.